tunacheza pole pole na mayele, tuko nacheza namna gani pole pole na mayele, mizike mizike mizike,
I have learned that in order to understand the origin of dance, as well as the roots and the benefits of dance therapy, therapeutic experience, we have to look back to move forward. This reminds me of the West African image and symbol of Sankofa, a bird whose body is facing forward with its head looking back to its tail. It is described as a realization of self and spirit. It is said to symbolize self-identity, redefinition, and an understanding our own destiny and the collective identity of the cultural group we are in. Sankofa also relates to the Ghanaian proverb, which means it is not wrong to go back for that which you have forgotten. I incorporated the Sankofa principle as an aid in my clinical practice because I aim to be like the Sankofa bird by delving backwards in order to reach out to all women in particular. I found it important to look back cross-culturally, seeing how other cultures have contributed to dance movement through the ages and use this history to enhance my life and the lives of others.
Inhale, exhale. I want you to imagine that there's a pool of white light energy coming through the crown of your head, going through the center of your body, going down into the ground in between your legs, anchoring yourself within the earth. Inhale and exhale. Invite you to go into your heart, connect with the fluid, with the blood within your body. Without water, we would not exist. Without the air, we would not exist. And just take the energy away from your heart, and you're going to lengthen your arms out to the side. Just visualize seeing yourself being that ankh. Circle at the top, your arms reaching out, and your feet being ground into the earth.